I'm meteorologist Tim Armstrong at the National Weather Service in Wilmington with your summer 2026 climate outlook. The big story as we go into summer has been drought across the Carolinas. Over the past 6 months, rainfall has been 6 to 11 inches below normal, and this has led to severe and in some cases exceptional drought across portions of both North and South Carolina. While we have had some beneficial rains over the past few weeks, groundwater and river flows remain very low relative to normal for this time of the year. A graphic created by the National Centers for Environmental Information suggests we would need to see 20 to 23 inches of rain over the next 3 months to completely end the drought. The Climate Prediction Center believes drought will continue through the summer, but enough rain may fall to improve drought conditions somewhat across South Carolina and across eastern portions of North Carolina. Temperature outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center show an increased potential of above normal heat this summer. Their forecast discussion says influence from dry soils across the region and long-term climate trends were incorporated, in addition to output from climate models. The Atlantic hurricane season began June 1st and runs through the end of November. The biggest factor expected to influence Atlantic tropical cyclone activity this year is El Niño. El Niño is part of a naturally occurring cycle in Pacific Ocean water temperatures that brings changes in weather patterns around the world. During the summer, El Niño tends to allow fewer Atlantic tropical storms and hurricanes to develop due to increased wind shear across the Atlantic Ocean. This doesn't mean we won't have impactful storms even here in the Carolinas, just that the number and intensity of storms across the entire Atlantic basin should be less than in a normal year. Looking back at the last 5 times when El Niño either developed during the summer or was already in place, 4 of those 5 years still saw at least one tropical cyclone affect the coastal Carolinas, including 2023's Tropical Storm Idalia and Hurricanes Charlie and Gaston in 2004. Regardless of the seasonal outlook, it's always a good idea to stay prepared during hurricane season. Now here's a look at normal and record summer temperatures and rainfall for local cities.